test?
Trying, yeah. Trying to understand how organisms evolve and change. I don't think this is on the test. Do you think DNA changes?
If it's damaged.
I wonder if any of us have changed. And if we did, would there be any way to tell?
Like a DNA test?
I was thinking a different type of test. Look at him! Look!
This isn't about killing just one werewolf. We are building an army to hunt them all.
You don't know what fear will do to somebody. Scared people will do things you wouldn't believe.
Do you know what a subduction zone is? When tectonic plates are crushing together with enormous force. Either you release the pressure with a series of small quakes, or you get one devastating quake that levels an entire city.
You're going to have to figure out just how much you're willing to give and how far you're willing to go.
You ready? What did you think we were gonna do? Run?